Hunting is an important part of predators' life cycle. But do you know which tiny aerial predator can catch more than 90% of the prey it chases and outhunt many of the big names on the food chain? Stick around and you'll soon find out. Welcome back to ZooScope. Today we're ranking the top 5 most successful hunters in nature. Success rate of hunting is one of the most important, if not the most important, of hunters' life. It can be leading thing to its death or its survival. Lions, for example, have success rate of hunting around 15 to 30%. But what about the best of the bests? Don't forget to like and subscribe, and let's start with number 5. Number 5, black-footed cat. The black-footed cat has success rate of 60%. This kitty is tiny, about 2 to 3 kilograms or 4 to 7 pounds, but ferocious and astonishingly efficient. Field studies report the species achieves roughly 60% success on attempted hunts, far higher than most big cats. They hunt dozens of small mammals and birds each night to meet an extreme metabolic demand. These little ambush specialists combine stealth, rapid pounces, and relentless activity to stay fed. But don't think that regular house cats are exception. They are almost as successful, with success rate of around 50%. At number 4, we have praying mantis. Praying mantises have success rate of around 75%. These insects are sit-and-wait killers with razor-fast raptorial forelegs. For certain prey types, even surprisingly large targets like small birds in rare documented cases, mantids have recorded very high capture and kill rates. For example, reports of 78% success in documented bird capture records. Their stereoscopic vision, lightning strike speed, and stealth make them deadly ambush specialists for the size class they hunt. But it's important to mention that success varies by mantis species and prey type they have around. For number 3, we have jumping spiders. Jumping spiders pack exceptional vision, precise distance estimation, and explosive leaps. Multiple studies and lab trials show adult jumping spiders achieving high capture success, often 70 to 90% or higher, with some species or conditions reaching very high success rates, especially when attacking well-chosen targets in short strikes. Their tiny brains coordinate astonishingly accurate hunting maneuvers and jumps no one else has ever seen. If you're still with us, hit that like and subscribe button. We've got the top 2 jaw droppers coming up. Number 2, harbor porpoise. Harbor porpoises have astonishing success rate of 90% on schools of small fish. They were filmed foraging nearly continuously and capturing small fish with a success around 88% in a landmark study. Individuals attempted hundreds of prey captures per hour and caught the vast majority, making them among the most efficient vertebrate hunters measured. They use echolocation to detect and target small, dense prey patches, a high-volume, high-efficiency feeding strategy. For comparison, their cousin dolphins have success rate around 70%. And the most successful hunter in a world is dragonfly. Topping the list are dragonflies. Field and experimental studies have documented dragonflies catching up to about 95 to 97% of the prey they pursue in some conditions. Extraordinary for an aerial predator. Their nearly 360-degree vision, lightning-fast acceleration, predictive targeting, and superb flight control let them track and intercept tiny, fast insects in midair with mind-bending precision. That combination of sensory and flight performance makes dragonflies our number 1 hunters by percent success. From microscopic leaps to supersonic stoops, success in the hunt looks very different across the animal kingdom. And sometimes the smallest actors are the deadliest. Which hunter surprised you most? The dragonfly or the harbor porpoise or something different? Tell us in the comments, make sure you're subscribed, and I'll see you next time on ZooScope.